A little bit of archaeology here in Mackays back office. That's a spiral staircase. One of the early spiral staircases made to Donald Mackay's design, going up to our offices above, and then coming through here into what used to be the shop. We've just uncovered, quite historic for any of the engineering apprentices. They might well remember this. That's the door through to the clocking in office for the engineering works, as it was before we put this extension on. Those pillars used to be the back of the shop, and in this area used to be a big wire mesh store, various materials, slotted angle, etc., were stored in here. Anyway, we put this extension on and covered over. In this corner here used to be the engineering offices, a two-story building. My father had an office at the top. That was knocked down to create space for the shop extension. Anyway, through that door you used to come through into the engineering works, which this is the welding shop. Through there we had the structural side, and in this side we had our machine shop. This used to be lined out with milling machines, lathes, etc., machining centres right the way down to the end. And I remember way past back there used to be the hole in which the belt drive sort of axle used to be. Oh, there it is. Yeah, they filled it in with some brick. You can just about make out in there where the belt drive used to. All the lathes used to be worked off belt drives in the early days, and they got converted. So this used to be the machine shop, John Cheesley's land, and below this piece of concrete is the most enormous pit was dug. I believe it was around about 12 foot deep, and reinforced concrete. I remember the dumper trucks coming through here, through from the back, filling this. It seemed to take an eternity to fill it up with concrete. So whoever it is who's got the job of knocking this down, good luck to them. There's a block of 12 foot by probably 6 to 8 foot wide and probably around about 20 foot long concrete below there. Here's the plasma cutter, which is capable of cutting all sorts of wonderful. Well, there's a map of the world that Andrew's cut out on his plasma cutter. How very well, not sure much. Oh yeah, there we go. Very good. Demonstrating how wonderful our plasma cutter is. This is going up to Nuffield Road eventually. Oh, there's, looks like Big Ben. Oh yeah, nice one, Andrew. He actually made somewhere a 3-metre version of the Eiffel Tower. Anyway, here's the old sections racks waiting to be taken down. A big hood which was extracting all the gases from the plasma cutter. Here's some more things he's cut out. Lots of things. It's a wonderful piece of kit to see working when it's in operation. Anyway, then coming through here, all a bit desolate now. The cutting machine, that's going up to Nuffield Road eventually. This used, in days gone by, be our metals warehouse, but in more recent times has been the light engineering works. We've got racks here for all the sheet material. Guillotine used to be here. Beautiful job. Yeah, all sorts. There's some craneage still there as well. And we had those bar heater above to keep all the materials warm, otherwise aluminium would have oxidized. There's the back door out onto New Street. So there's a little tour, and we're slowly but surely emptying it. We're going to be handing over to Anglia-Ruskin University midway through February. Lots of work to do, but over and out.